What's the word, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing another POV. So I'm not gonna talk too much longer. Let's get straight into it. This car's been running pretty good, so shout out to Jesus. This car's been actually running pretty good ever since I got. I'm talking to the camera.
I forgot. Sorry.
This car's actually been driving pretty good so far. For those of you guys that don't know, I just got a brand new transmission put in the car, and a brand new ABS module as well. So trying to check and see if the highway was all backed up with traffic. Right now I'm actually headed to Walmart because I'm getting ready to take money to go fishing. I've been talking about doing it for a while, so figured today would be a pretty good day, so gotta go get some stuff from Walmart real quick. Figured I'd take you guys along. I also record on the way back too because I know it's pretty short. Trying to like actually just record. It's not that far from where I was at, so. Yeah, with this POV, I'm not gonna do a whole lot of cuts. I'm gonna keep this more raw and uncut, like authentic. Kind of like driving, just authentic driving. Yeah, over here you gotta just go, to be honest. You can't really sit here and wait a whole long. The idle is still not all the way right. The car's still idling weird. That's why whenever I let off the gas, the car really doesn't know where to stay. It's kind of like moving around and bouncing and stuff. So, but I will make a video though of me fixing the ICV. That's what I believe is what's wrong with the car, so we're gonna go ahead and replace that. Hopefully that'll fix this, and then, to be honest, there shouldn't be anything else wrong with this car. I mean, this should pretty much be set for the most part. All right, I'm gonna skip all the boring part. I'm gonna turn back on the camera whenever we are actually leaving here, because like I said, all I'm getting is like some stuff for fishing. I already have poles and stuff. It's just I gotta get some bait, so I'm gonna stop in here and get that real quick. All right, y'all, we are back from Walmart. Got exactly what we needed, and she went and got one of her favorite snacks, or not favorite snacks, but something she's new on. I'm sure y'all have heard of these before, but those are actually pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie to you.
This flavor is really good.
Yeah, the last one she gave me, it was so nasty, y'all. She gave me the like pumpkin spice ones. They were disgusting.
The worms.
I'm sorry. Oh yeah, we also got the worms too. We got the live worms. Just got these. I've used before, like in the past, I've used the night crawlers for any of you guys that like fish. But like I told y'all, this video was just gonna be super short. It wasn't gonna be too long. I just wanted to throw on the camera to give y'all a quick little POV video. Like I say, in the next video, I'm more than likely gonna be replacing the ICV in this car. And hopefully that'll fix the issue that we're having with the idle. I'm about 90% sure that it's the issue or the reason why it's happening, but you know, there's always that chance that it's not exactly what's going on and there's something else as well. So when I read the codes last, that was the only error that was coming back to me, so that's a good sign as well. No more MAF sensor. No more, the MAF sensor is not showing up on there anymore. And the reason why I think it was is because I was checking to see if it was going out by unplugging it. I unplugged it and was testing to see if the car like dropped idle or started rough idling and stuff, or if it was able to, you know, continue idling fine. So I think the car just like freaked out whenever I unplugged it and then plugged it back in. It was like, whoa, what's going on, you know? So, but yeah, y'all, like I said, this was just a short little video. I'm gonna end this off here. Hopefully you guys did enjoy, and we will be back for the next video, replacing the ICV, hopefully fixing everything wrong with this car, and then all we got to do next is basically a tune-up, basically just kind of like refresh the car, you know. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. Appreciate you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.